using playcode.io, trying to figure this out. And in here, I'm changing the style to this. All right, so we have our index and we're defining this box here. And then over in the JavaScript, I can change, get element ID, which is this right here, and then, which is box, and then we'll go box, change the style to 30 pixels. It moves left 30 pixels like I want it. And if I change it to 10 or 0 or whatever, great. But now if I go here and I define the variable, let x equal, we'll say 50. And then I go box style, blah, 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 let this equal x. Nothing happens. I mean, it should be referring to that. I've tried everything. I tried putting quotes around it, tried putting quotes around this, like just a very basic, simple syntax thing here. Stuff like this just drives me crazy and it trips me up and I can't figure it out. So let me know what you think.